as well. Let's go right up to Chopper 7 HD, and you can see some of the damage right now to the homes. It's a lot different, Terrell, to see it from above than from below, right? You can really see the magnitude of the damage and sort of the way that this tornado may have traveled in this area.
Evergreen Lane. In fact, guys, do you mind popping on Sky Map 7 for us so we can see exactly where you are? Yeah, 355 right there. There's Evergreen Lane. So this is right in that Woodridge area, right along that line that Tracy and Larry and Greg have been talking about, moving from west to east from Woodridge on through Darien into Burr Ridge this morning. You can see this line of damage.
And the roof, look at the roof damages to some of these homes. And it's not this, as it is indicative with tornadoes, not every home gets hit, right? It swirls, and you can see sort of which homes get hit, which homes are untouched. It's just remarkable to see it from above. And
in this particular neighborhood, though, you can see where there's at least some damage, it looks like, to just about every home that we're looking at on the screen here. Certainly a lot of trees down, a lot of roof damage, and this is a straight line as Chopper here is going to the west now. And we can see, as Greg was talking about, those front loaders there pushing some of the damage out of the way so power crews can get in. This is the damage that we've been talking about for a good portion of the morning. Tracy, I want to bring you back in here too so you can take a look at this picture. Anything that catches your eye as you take a look at this?
You know what, it's interesting to note, Terrell and Diane, you see some of those homes, roofs are completely intact, and then you get right next door where it is not. And this kind of gives us the idea that in this particular area, we had the line of storms that came through. We had the one major tornado potentially, but maybe some individual little rotating cells that came in. And that's why you're seeing some places seem untouched. I'm seeing some homes there that look perfectly fine, like nothing happened. But then, as I think it was Evergreen Avenue you were talking about, Terrell, it seems as though there appears to be extensive damage. There you see some of those homes there with some roof damage along Chestnut and Evergreen Lane. So that is one thing that catches my eye at this point. A lot of tree damage with this as well. And there you see, I can see some of those large trees on top of homes. Chuck Gowdy was referencing the fact that he was talking to someone whose car was not where it was supposed to be, was actually picked up and taken elsewhere into someone else's driveway. So the road right there, Janes Avenue, seems to be impassable as you see large trees there, and those roofs right there along Janes Avenue damaged. Really just a tough thing to wake up to. The extensive damage coming in with this tornado impact, and just the impact of these storms that of course happened late last night, which is the worst case scenario when folks are sleeping. Terrell and Diane.